Welcome to the quick start guide for OpenThinClient. In the next few minutes, I will show you the most important steps to set up OpenThinClient. We will go through the basic prerequisites and requirements, as well as the setup of the virtual appliance. To use OpenThinClient, you will need a network with a DHCP server and an internet connection to install client packages and updates. The server itself should have at least 1 GB of free RAM and 10 GB of free disk space, and it should run on a 64-bit operating system. The hardware requirements for ThinClients and old PCs that can be used as ThinClients are a 64-bit x86 CPU with PAE capability, 2 GB of RAM, and a PXE-capable network card. To download the virtual appliance, visit the website www.openthinclient.com. Click on Try for Free and register briefly for the software. Shortly after, you will receive an email with links to the virtual appliances. The installation involves extracting the zip archive, importing the virtual machine, selecting the physical network adapter, and starting the appliance. After the first login, you will be guided through the initial configuration, where you can set the user password, the password for the web UI, the time zone, and proxy settings. The OpenThinClient management server is pre-installed and starts automatically. On the desktop of the appliance, you will find icons for applications such as the OpenThinClient management server, the restart tool for the management server, and the live support tool, which should only be used upon request from support. For a more detailed description, visit our documentation at docs.openthinclient.com.